Miller, Rizzo, Mix, Belansky, and Kramer. .435 to go, drivers. 435. Mazzara's pace is going to be 16.608. Got the PA turned up a little bit so I don't have to yell so much at you guys today. It's Mazzara, Thomas, J. Miller, Bubba Lee, Jason, RRP, Rizzo, Albertini, Belansky, Mix, and Kramer. 4:15 to go, drivers. Remember, after you're done racing, I need you back to the track to turn marshal to keep this show rolling all day long. Mazzara leads the way, still pace 16.608. Thomas 3 seconds back, Miller 9 seconds back, Enzo 9 seconds back. Pace for my top two guys, 16 laps. That looks like that will be the fast lap club today. 16. We may sneak a 17 in there before the day's over.
I'll be good.
Mazzara, Thomas, J. Miller, Enzo, and Andrew. Actually, Andrew up into that third spot now, pace 15.616. You are 7 seconds out of the lead with 3:20 to go. Leader all by himself, going across the big double on the back now. They're going to pull up on the straightaway. Anthony Mazzara, 6-hour drive, 420.